All right, speed session. Here we are, Toro 2450 two-cycle. I'm going to show you real quick how to change the spark plug. What you need is an 8mm wrench, and my battery is low, so I'm going to hurry up and try to get this done before the battery drops. 8mm drill. 1, 2, 3. Put that in your little tray, come up, and I'm gonna actually sit this up so I can get to it. Spark plug is right in there. So the way I do it is you can pull it off, then take your spark plug puller. Let me see if you can see there. I think I can get to it now. Spark plug puller on there with your wrench. The little boot keeps falling on top of here. It should be that side, I think. If you can see down in there, it's hard to see. Right there. Let's try to fit this onto there, just like so. Crack this out. Oh, there we go. I can tell that thing's probably never been changed, or it's been about 10 years for that. Twist it off. Here we go. Plugs out. Same thing. If you go to Walmart, it's at $29.74 autolite. Walmart has the best deals on plugs. I'm gonna put this back in here. Line it up. I'm actually gonna flip this over and take this bottom cover off because my hands are too big to fit in there. This just comes right off. Take this, start threading it in. Right where you got it from, thread it, thread it, thread it. Get all the way down. Put this back on top. Tighten it up. Beautiful. We're going to put the boot back on till you hear it click, and you're done. Covers go back on. One here, one here. Screw it together, and you're ready for battle. Thanks for watching.